Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving my honest review of Veed.io, an online video editor that's been getting a lot of attention. Now before we dive in, if you want to try it out yourself, I have left a link in the description. You can click it out to get started for free. So the question is Veed.io really worth your time and money? Or should you look at alternative? So let's break down its features, pros, cons, and also my final verdict. So first let's talk about what exactly is Veed.io. So it's a browser-based video editing tool designed to make editing as simple as possible. You don't need to download software, everything runs straight from the web browser. The main idea is quick, easy, and accessible editing, perfect for social media creators, small businesses, or anyone who doesn't want to spend weeks learning complicated softwares like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. And Veed.io is packed with a lot of features that really stands out. And one of them is the automatic subtitle transcription. So basically it's an easy and it's one of the best tool. It generates caption with pretty good accuracy and even lets you translate them into different languages. And they also have AI tools, so things like background noise removal, text-to-speech, and AI avatar presentation, and so on. And they have social media resizing, which instantly switches your video to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram dimensions. Then you have stock library, you can access to all the stock music, video, and sound effect. And you get the templates and presets, ready-made designs to speed up your content. And they also have this cloud-based editing. Since it's online, you can work from your computer without installing heavy software. So on paper, this sounds great, especially if you're creating short-form content or need fast turnaround videos. So here's what I really like about Veed.io. So the first thing is that it's very beginner friendly. The layout is very clean and intuitive. If you've never touched a video editor before, you'll figure this out very quickly. And also you have this time saving tools over here. So features like auto subtitles, background noise removal, and AI text to speech can save hours of your editing. And this is basically like an all-in-one convenience. You don't need to separate tools from caption, resizing, and editing. It's all in one place. And also the cool thing is that it is browser based, as I've said. There is no downloads, no system requirements. It works anywhere with the internet. And also it is social media friendly. The ability to turn one video into multiple platform ready version is a big plus for content creators. And I also want to pick out some con as well. So Veed.io is not the perfect option that's in the market, and it has some downside for it. So the first thing is its performance issue. So some users report glitches, slow rendering, and even project crashes. That can be a deal breaker if you're working on something important. And there is also a pricing confusion. While it advertises as a free plan, many of the features over here, as you can see, are in the paid version. So on top of that, the pricing structure isn't always very clear. And there is also these watermarks on the free plan. So in order to remove that, you will have to go to the paid version. And this is not particularly for advanced editors. So if you're looking for precision tools, color grading, or professional workflows, this won't replace something like DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut. So while it's a great for beginners, it may frustrate more experienced editors or anyone who needs a reliability at scale. So the real question is Veed.io really worth it? Yes, if you're a beginner, a content creator focused on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram, and you value speed and convenience over advanced editing power, then you can go for it. Overall, I would say Veed.io is a solid tool for quick edits and subtitle generation. You don't expect it to replace pro softwares. If you want to try it yourself, click the link in the description to get started for free. That way you can test it out your own project and see if it really works for your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this review of Veed.io. If you found this helpful, drop a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe for more honest software reviews.